You know, pretty much every company out there is sitting on a gold mine they don't even know they have. It's not on any balance sheet, but it is the absolute key to unlocking massive innovation and efficiency. I'm talking about your internal knowledge. And today, we're going to look at how new AI tools are finally letting you cash in on it.
So what's the big secret? It's a great question, right? We hear all this stuff about the power of these new AI models, but the real secret to making them profitable, it isn't just about having the latest and greatest tech. It's about what you feed that tech. And that's what we're talking about when we say institutional knowledge. I mean, just think about it for a second. It's every lesson learned from a project that didn't go so well, every brilliant idea from a random brainstorming session, all that customer feedback. It's really the collective wisdom of your entire organization, your company's unique DNA.
Okay, so let's think about this a different way. This isn't just a dusty collection of old files and chat logs. No, this is your AI gold mine. It's the raw material for building smarter, more effective AI that no competitor on Earth can just go out and copy.
And that's the real magic here. This knowledge is completely 100% proprietary. It's all the unique context, the history, the little nuances that make your business your business. For years, this incredible asset has been almost impossible to really use, just hiding right under our noses the whole time.
So here's the big question, right? If this knowledge is so incredibly valuable, why isn't every company running like a perfectly oiled machine? Well, the problem is, we've basically and totally unintentionally locked this treasure away in dozens of different digital vaults.
Just think about your own workday. A key decision gets made in a Slack channel, right? The final report gets saved in Google Drive. Meanwhile, the technical specs are over in GitHub, and all the customer feedback is buried in intercom tickets or some long email chain. Sound familiar? I bet it does. Each one of those is a separate silo.
So what you end up with is this, like a fragmented company brain. Trying to find one coherent answer to a really important question turns into this frustrating, time-wasting scavenger hunt across all these different apps. But what if you had a master key? A single key that could unlock all of those vaults at the same time? Well, that is exactly what these new AI tools are being built to do.
You see tools like OpenAI's Company Knowledge feature for their enterprise users, and they're tackling this problem head-on. They use the latest large language models to plug directly into all those apps we just mentioned, basically creating a single conversational search engine for your entire company.
And the way it works is actually super simple. First, you connect your tools, your Slack, your Google Drive, you name it. Then you just ask a question, in plain English. The AI then gets to work, sifting through literally everything to give you one single synthesized answer. Imagine just asking something like, hey, create a briefing for my upcoming client call with Acme Corp. The AI could instantly pull the meeting notes from Google Docs, the relevant Slack chatter about the follow-up, and even recent support tickets to build a full brief for you. Just like that. Instantly. And here's the part that is absolutely crucial for building trust. It's not some mysterious black box. OpenAI is very clear that every single answer comes with citations. You can see exactly which document or email or chat message the info came from, so you can go and verify it yourself. Okay, this all sounds amazing in theory, right? But what does it actually mean for the bottom line? What's the real measurable impact of unlocking all this internal knowledge?
Okay, check this number out, 25%. Recent studies are showing that businesses that actually build their AI solutions on top of their own institutional knowledge see those solutions become a full 25% more efficient. That is a huge competitive advantage. And not efficiency. It isn't just about saving a few minutes here and there. It means creating more accurate, more relevant, and way more powerful AI tools, all because they're trained on the data that actually matters most, your own. Let's look at a real-world company, like Dr. Bronner's. They needed to scale up their operations. So instead of buying some generic, off-the-shelf software, they used their AI to analyze years of internal reports, process docs, and manager feedback to customize everything. They basically taught the AI their specific way of doing things. And the result? Get this, a staggering 45% revenue increase over 3 years. That right there is the power of institutional knowledge in action.
So what we're really seeing here is a fundamental shift in how we're all going to work. The whole idea of accessing information is going through a complete and total transformation.
I mean, just think about the contrast here. The old way meant manually digging through endless apps, trying to piece together information yourself, and, just hoping you found what you needed. The new way? You ask one simple question and you get one complete answer with all the sources attached. The difference in speed and quality is it's monumental.
So if you remember one thing from all of this, let it be this. The future competitive edge in AI is not going to come from just using a powerful model, because pretty soon everyone will have that. The real advantage is going to come from feeding that model with your unique proprietary data. Your institutional knowledge is what turns a generic AI into an AI that's truly intelligent for your business.
And that leaves us with one last, kind of mind-blowing thought to chew on. What does the world look like when every single person in an organization, from a brand new hire all the way to the CEO, can tap into the full collective wisdom of the entire company just by asking a simple question? The potential for innovation, for speed, for smarter decisions, it's truly staggering.